Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your iPhone 16 Pro Max in a few different ways. So let's get started. The first and the simplest is going to be using the buttons here. You're going to locate the volume up, which is directly under the action button or that middle button, and then this side button. What you'll do is press and hold again the volume up and then this side button simultaneously for about a few seconds until a menu like this pop up. And then you can simply slide it over to switch it off. Now, if that didn't work for you, you can also do it directly from the phone software by simply going into your setting on your iPhone and then going to general and then scrolling down where it says shutdown. And if you click on that, it will bring up the same exact menu where you can simply slide again to switch it off. Now, a third method, it's going to be using Siri. If you have Siri turned on and it's listening to your voice, under Siri or Hey Siri, we can just simply give a command like this. Hey Siri, switch off my iPhone. Yes. And once you confirm that you want to switch off after issuing the command, Siri can also switch off your iPhone for you. And it takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the phone to switch off. And then you're going to probably think about how to switch it back on. Now, in order to do that, you can simply just press and hold onto this big side button until you see the Apple logo. And once you see that, just let go and it will go ahead and switch back on. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also connect it to a charger. And if the phone is already switched off, it will automatically signal it to switch back on as well. So that's how you can switch off and on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.